Hi, this is Tammy with Premier Utah Real Estate. We have Marta with us from Security Title again, and she's going to go over with us what the settlement statement is that you'll be signing at closing. So Marta, tell us a little bit about the settlement statement.
Okay, so your settlement statement has, it's a reflection of the whole transaction. It has your buyer, it has your seller, it has your property address, it has the lender, what kind of loan it is. You have your debits and your credits. As an agent, you'll want to make sure, number one, your commission is correct, your sales price, any closing costs that the seller is paying for, that needs to be on there. Any home warranties, it reflects your taxes, your tax proration, and any lenders. If you have the lenders, it has all their fees on it as well as our fees.
What would be any red flags that they should look for? I mean, is there a place on there that tells them how much money they need to bring to closing? Is there a place telling them how much they're going to get back?
Yes.
They
want to make sure if it's over the $10,000, they have to wire it. If it's under, they do not. They can bring a cashier's check into closing. One of the red flags is a sales price. The other red flag is double check your buyers, make sure they're all on there. Double check your sellers, make sure they're on there, that your sales price is correct. And like if there's a home warranty that was put on maybe in separate addendum, that's on there. Because you want to make sure that that's debited from the seller and credited from the buyer, or credited to the buyer.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you. We appreciate you explaining that to us. And if you have any questions, you know where to find us.
Thank you.